Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends, and welcome to my theme park.
Thanks, sir. Enjoy the ride. Oh, hi there. Welcome to Twoloosebricks Adventures, Bricksters and Lego friends. Don't forget your VIP ticket to enjoy all the fun right here in the amusement park.
Yes, it's filling in quite nicely now. So this is the September update, beginning of September, just to show you where everything is at and how it's looking. So yes, it's filling in quite nicely. And we just finished up, well, still working on, really, not really finished up, but the idea of the Harry Potter Wizarding World is coming into effect here, and it's just a plethora of sets and mocks and everything I can come up with. I'm putting it in here. This Hagrid's hut was one I was able to procure not too long ago, and I had to get the parts in order to finish Aragog there, but we did that. And there's a little scene there of Harry and the Buckbeak, and I've got scenes all throughout here from the different movies, and it's really starting to fill in now, so it's looking really good. I'll light things up in a minute so you can get an idea of how things are going. Yeah, it's really starting to fill in. Not too much over in Future World or Spaceland, or over in Frozen, or in the Christmas area as per se right now. Mainly been focusing on the Harry Potter stuff and that, so we're just gonna zoom back here as far as we can go to try to get it all in. Yeah, and it's a pretty large display, not counting what we have over here. And we've been working at the Star Wars land, trying to get that wired up and everything, so it's coming. It is coming. So I got the light on under the castle to illuminate the scenes when I create them inside here underneath. And see if you can see it. Yeah, it's just like a little power light in there on a socket. And I've got, like, it started there, the scene for the basilisk coming out the gate. A lot more to do to that, of course. And but anyway, it's like scenes for under the castle. So it's coming. And the Quidditch field will go there. And of course our mock of the graveyard duel scene. And the Forbidden Forest. And the new Aragog is somewhere around here. And he's going in there. And the new tree for him. So yeah, yes, there's a palm tree there. It's odd. I don't know why that's there. I just taking in some space right now. But whatever. And Harry when he's trying to catch the train as it comes along. And this is just before Cedric was killed by Voldemort. Yeah. So anyway, there's where it is. Let me turn everything on now, and you can see it in action. The ride's going there. Oh, I see. One thing we have to do is get our trusted handy little stick to get him going again, because sometimes he just doesn't get going right away. And there he goes. Whee, the little roller coaster. And I'm going to come on here. It's not lit up yet, but it will be lit up very shortly. It's the ghost train. And the Whomping Willow, which we have the idea in our head, and we're going to be modifying that, of course. And we got our bucket. We're working with some stuff there. And we got a backlog here on the roller coaster. What's going on here now, guys? And it stopped. This one is soon to be motorized. But there's some things I have to do before I do that. So I have to get the pirates turned on. Why isn't that turned on? It's not turned on. Well, it's not even programmed really correctly yet, so it's okay, but I'm going to turn it on now. And now we've turned on the blacklight luminescence for now we've got a little more lit up and going here. We got the trains running. Here's the main train for the theme park coming through. Watch closely to the left. There is the Hogwarts Express, bringing the students to Hogwarts. Let's follow them around. And now he's going into Hogsmeade. Back through Halloween Town and back into Hogwarts. Over here we have the blacklight luminescence effect for Pandora. Really cool on the glow in the dark and the translucent pieces. And we got some glow in the dark rocks from the dollar store, believe it or not. Threw it in there as well because they're really cool. So, yeah. Now, I'm going to go dim the lights, and I'm going to show you something really cool. First off, I got to turn off the studio light. That's going to dim it down a bit. I'm going to dim it down even further. Not too much. That's pretty much as dim as we're going to go right now, because what we're going to do, we're going to see what this thing does. There's a hint. Okay, I'm going up above the castle, because in the evening above the castle, this is what happens. I know I have a lot more lighting to do within the park itself and some lampposts and stuff like that and on the rides. We'll be getting to that bit by bit, but had to start somewhere. And I think this is really cool, the fireworks above the castle in the nighttime. Going back down under the sea for a minute. Well, it's kind of dark, but we're diving down here under the sea, and we're going to see. Ooh, that effect lighting is really cool under there in the evenings. Pretty sharp. So, as we add things in, it's starting to take shape. Really, really cool. Now I see one more thing I got to show you. Well, we're here in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Check out the beast up above. Remember this scene when Harry was on his broom and the dragon was chasing him, caught the broom tip on fire? Well, let's recreate it. So we had to recreate it right here. Right up above the castle. Pretty neat. And that's the big dragon. That's a creator dragon, actually, from back in the early 2000s, but it is pretty slick. It has a wingspan of almost 2 feet. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.